Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Denise, and I do all things fitness. If you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of good stuff coming up, so make sure you don't miss out. Today, I'm talking about Balance Athletica. They had a launch very recently where I think they relaunched their tie-dye collection in new colors. They're pretty much relaunching the same style of leggings, but just in different prints and then just calling them a different collection. That's what it seems like. So I was able to get my hands on the OG pants in the tie-dye sea salt color, and it is so beautiful. It is so soft. Wow, it's like I could sleep on this. I'm so excited to try this on. They have their signature V shape that's supposed to be very flattering for your booty, and I've seen a bunch of reviews where people don't like it. I don't know if it's because they have smaller glutes and it just doesn't flatter them in the same way, but for me, I think it looks good, so I'm just gonna go with it. They also have a tapered waist on their pants, which I really like, but it's not like a tight waist where it just digs in and is uncomfortable. It's pretty comfortable. Even in the front, they have like a little bit of like a V shape with the seams, which is pretty cool. It's not the most compressive legging, so if that's what you're looking for, probably not the one. You can still do a lot of types of workouts in this, so. I tried so hard to get the sports bra. I tried to get some of the crop tops, tank tops. By the time I was checking out, everything was sold out. So the only thing I got was these pants and this very orangey crop top, sweater, hoodie, whatever. The launch had 4 different colors and everything kind of ran in those colors, which is pretty cool. Now, if you don't like any of those 4 colors, then that sucks. I was trying to get the sports bra that matches these, and I know that this one comes in the orange color as well. That would have matched really well with this one. Maybe I wouldn't wear orange leggings, but as a top, it's fine. Bottom line is that I'm pretty happy with the things that I got. However, I wish I would have gotten the rest of the set. I don't know about the time when I post this video if these are still available, but when I checked them today, the sweatshirts are there and some sizes of some of the colors in this legging is still there. And they also had some joggers left, but everything else is sold out, so wait for the next launch. I also love the fact that the text here is raised. So what they've done is that they've pressed the fabric to get the raised letters, and it's pretty cool. I like this. Let's try this on and see what it looks like. Wow, these might be my new favorite leggings ever. They are so soft and so comfortable, so flattering. I just love it. The color is beautiful, the pattern is beautiful. Put a little bit of extra like dark colors on the bum, I think, because the white color is a little bit sheer. It's only a problem if you wear dark underwear that goes beyond this line right here, because this part is double lined and this is not. So right now I'm wearing nude underwear, so you can't really see it, I'm assuming. I personally don't have a problem with it as long as you're wearing a thong or something nude. The waist is super flattering, and because it is tapered, it kind of hugs your waist and gives you a nice little silhouette. I do find these leggings being more compressive than I thought. So it's not gonna like snatch you, but it's like not bad. I don't have any problems with camel toe. It's just, I think it's because of the patch that they've sewn in right here. It kind of helps you with that. It doesn't have a seam in the front, and it has 1 seam in the back. I think these are like a 7/8 length because I'm 5'7" and they're hitting me above my ankle. Yeah, definitely a fan. The risk of getting this color is that it almost kind of looks dirty, but that's like part of the tie-dye. And I love the fact that the inside of it is the same. They haven't lined the inside with like a white fabric or like a different fabric. It's just the same. If you haven't seen the review that I did of their Kingdom collection, where I'm reviewing this exact same pant, but in a different print, a different collection, then I'm gonna link to that, so check that out. The fabric does feel a little bit different from the Kingdom collection. This is so much softer. Ooh la la! Look at this orange color, oh my god. Wow, it goes pretty well with the leggings too, don't you think? Now, this is what it looks like. I love the fact that it's cropped right to where my leggings end. So this is perfect. I wish more companies would make this length, to be honest. I don't want them to be up here. I don't want them to be down here. I want this length. So this is perfect. The one thing that I don't love is the fact that the neck is not the most flattering. I think that they're trying to go for like a comfortable, flattering look, but I don't know if I love it. What do you think? Also, I wonder if this would have been a little bit more flattering if it was just tapered. Like not like mega tight like this, but if it was a little bit smaller. I wonder if a small would have been better on me, because I do have a lot of room in my arms. I don't mind this being a little bit more oversized. I would say maybe size down if you want a little bit more fitted look. This is 55% cotton and 45% polyester, and I wonder if it's the type of fabric that might pill over time. Like honestly, the quality doesn't seem super high. I've bought things from like Zaful and Amazon that kind of feel very similar. If you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.